Welcome back. The market's been on some kind of steroids, and it's one of those markets where you just have to sit in and let the market do the rest, and it's been doing that for you. 17,924 now on the SGX Nifty futures. Mitessh Thakkar and Shrikant Chouhan joining us. Good morning, Mitessh. Rinse and repeat, right? Just buy and sit tight, and on every dip just add. But for how long can this trend continue, and what would be the targets here?
Good morning. It's very difficult to guess how long, and we can always make an educated guess about the targets. But for the timing, I think it looks like that the signals are clearly on the upside. So till that changes, and that could be at least a few weeks, because the Bank Nifty is looking very interesting between the two indices. We've spoken about this Bank Nifty getting into all-time highs. I think it's on the verge of doing that. Once that happens, I think I would look at a minimum test of 41,800, which is the intra-week high. But I think eventually the move above 40,300, 500 zone should see the Bank Nifty attempt even 44,500 to about 45,000. So very positive setup on the short and the medium term charts. I think this rally will extend for quite some time. So stay long. On the Nifty, we've had targets of around 17,965 to 18,000. That remains an important psychological level as well as the earlier pivot. But I think once that is crossed, 18,150, 200 should be the next immediate target if we are talking about two to three sessions.
Okay, Shrikant Chouhan is also with us. Shrikant, hi, good morning. Your thoughts on the market? It's a 1 month high and it's only been trending upwards. What are the next levels to watch and what are the individual stocks you're looking at? Shrikant, I think you're on mute.
Good morning, Sonia. Good morning, Anuj. I think one thing is very clear that the markets are forming higher top, higher bottom, and after consolidating at crucial levels of 17,800, 17,700, we saw eventually markets crossing its upward boundary. So the next level to watch out for would be 18,300, 18,350 in the near term. No doubt that 18,000 is going to act as major resistance, but the way the market has spent time close to 17,800, I think the markets are now going to cross 18,000 easily, and we are going to see the levels of 18,300. So in case if there is any correction, we should look for adding some long position. But if there is a positional view, then even at current levels, we should be buyer with a target of 18,300. And for the Bank Nifty, 40,700 to 40,900 sort of levels.
Okay. All right. And Shrikant, you want to fill us in with a couple of your stock trading picks?
Good morning, Nigel. Yeah, I think there are a number of stocks because the broader market is doing well. So in that space, we like GNFC, which is currently trading at 755, 756. Yesterday, it closed around those levels. The next level to watch out for would be 790 to 800. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 745 on the downside. And the other stock which we like is from the financial space, and Canara Bank is on our watch list. Here we are expecting stock to move towards 260, 265 in the near term, but 255, 260 is possible maybe today or tomorrow. So it's a buy at current level with a stop loss around 240.
Okay, and Mitessh, what are you buying and selling?
So it's an all buy list. GNFC is the common stock on the list. That's a buy for me as well. With the stop at 745. For targets of 778. Couple of banking names. ICICI Bank is a buy with a stop at 887 for targets of 925. Axis Bank is a buy with a stop at 771 for targets of 800. And Asian Paints complete the list. That's a buy with a stop below 3430 for a first target of 3510.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's slip into a quick break. When we come back, we'll have the pre-opening rates. Later, we'll also connect with Amit Agarwal of Raymond to discuss their business and the demand outlook. Stay tuned.